Welcome. We all use ChatGPT on a regular basis, whether it be for academic or professional or personal purposes. But do you know what to do when your question receives a long string of responses and you want to search for a specific part of them? Let's learn today. 1. Ask it to number its responses to help quickly refer to specific points. 2. Ask for summaries or key points from the conversation to consolidate. 3. When you refer to previous information, be as specific as possible. 4. Manually search through text using browser's built-in search function. 5. Consider keeping log with note-taking apps or simple text documents. So do you now know what to do if you ever encounter a situation of this sort? If yes, then go and start chatting with ChatGPT, you're surely to learn a lot more. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching.